The market theme. The good news is that Iran worries are fading. US Defense Secretary Hexet stated that the ceasefire with Iran is still holding, despite attacks targeting the UAE this week. WTI oil eased towards $101 a barrel as the strikes between Iran against the US and UAE did not result in all-out attacks against Iranian energy infrastructure, preventing the worsening of an already serious energy shock for economies that import from the Middle East. Helping sanctions in the background will be BJP's landslide victory in Bengal and Assam, which may improve domestic confidence and policy continuity expectations. Bottom line, the Nifty 50 is likely to rebound, brushing aside the previous session's weakness. Investors appear willing to look past lingering headwinds such as geopolitical tensions, elevated oil prices, tariffs, inflation, and persistent FII outflows. The undertone suggests resilience, with markets attempting to regain footing as global fears cool marginally. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's volatile session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 3622 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 2603 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting massive rebound play. Fanome month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 17.91 levels. At last check, USD INR, May, had spiked near 95.37 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th May, is at 1.15 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.83. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.68. Midcap Nifty is at 1.14. Nifty Outlook. Nifty 50 may attempt a rebound as Iran fears show signs of cooling and global markets stabilize. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,033. Biggest make-or-break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,797 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,335 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,950 and 24,250. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 77,018. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 76,250 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 78,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 76,800 to 77,900. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 54,547. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 54,221 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 56,300 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 54,300 and 55,300. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. In yesterday's trade, despite volatility, Nifty 50 defended the crucial 24,000 mark. Notably, the index never traded in the green, highlighting persistent selling pressure. Bulls are now pinning hopes on strong earnings momentum to offset geopolitical tensions. Hawkish Fed outlook. Capex concerns. Stocks in spotlight. Key Q4 earnings today, Wednesday, 6th May. Bajaj Auto, BSOFT, CG Power, Godrej CP, Paytm, Polisibza, Polycab, SHRECEM, South Bank. Thursday, 7th May, Bharat Forge, Biocon, Dabur, Escorts, Lupin, MRF, Pidilite. 1. Punjab National Bank, PNB, declined 0.73% after reporting a 14.4% year-on-year rise in net profit to 5,225 crore rupees for the 3 months ended March 2026, driven by higher interest income. 2. Mahindra & Mahindra Ltd gained 3.36% after reporting a 48.5% jump in consolidated profit after tax at 5,259.91 crore rupees for the fourth quarter ended 31st March 2026, primarily driven by its auto and farm sectors. 3. Shares of Computer Age Management Services, CAMS, were in high demand, gaining 9.11% in an otherwise weak market on Tuesday, 5th May 2026, after the company reported its highest ever quarterly revenue in Q4 FY26. The company also announced a dividend of 4 rupee per share for its shareholders. 4. Lupin consolidated after winning USFDA approval for glycerol phenylbutyrate oral liquid. Lupin said that it has received approval from the US Food and Drug Administration, USFDA, for its abbreviated new drug application, ANDA, for glycerol phenylbutyrate oral liquid, 1.1 gml. 5. Wockhardt zooms 7.8% higher on Q4 turnaround, net profit 164 rupee CR versus 45 rupee CR loss YoY. PAT was up at 168.85% QoQ. Revenue was up at 29.87% YoY. 6. Coforge reported strong growth, with revenue rising 30% year-on-year in rupee terms, 28.7% in constant currency terms, and 21.2% in USD terms. Coforge reported a consolidated net profit of 615 crore rupees for the fourth quarter earnings of the financial year 2025-26, Q4 FY26, posting a 145% quarter-on-quarter, QoQ, increase compared to 250 crore rupees.